The current environment shows that principled business leadership is absolutely necessary for the health of our country and the world. At the University of Notre Dame, our purpose is to develop leaders who can show the way by uncompromising integrity and professionalism. We will challenge you to work hard, to gain deep knowledge about the drivers of business and the economy, to form partnerships, and to foster creative solutions, to have a heart so that you could make a difference. Our position as leaders is that we must ask more of ourselves. We must ask more of business.